Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host of Intellect Digest, and in this video I'm going to unbox the Honor 8C that we have got here with us, and I'll give you a quick hands-on overview, features overview, and my impressions of this device. Let's get started. The Honor 8C is a budget phone compared to the Honor 8X, and it is priced between 10 to 15,000 rupees, which is lower than the 8X. There are two variants, one with 4GB RAM and 32GB internal memory and one with 4GB RAM and 64. We have got the higher variant, which is the 464 here, and it comes with some very unique and interesting features, so I'll talk about them while I show you the phone closely. This one will be priced between 10 to 12,000 rupees. So price as well as best buy links are provided in the description section. Before I open the box, let me quickly show you the features mentioned here. It comes with an octa-core 1.8 GHz CPU, which is a Snapdragon 632 chipset with 14 nanometer fab. It has a 15.9 cm or 6.26 inches HD plus display, has a 13+2 rear camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera, supports VoLTE, fingerprint scanner, and there's a 4000 mAh battery, which is a large battery in this price segment. Let me quickly open this box. Slightly tight, and here we are. The first thing in the box is the phone itself, and we have got the blue color here, which does look pretty good. It is very classy. As you can see, it is different from most of the usual blue colors that you see. It is sort of a matte finished blue, slightly different than the usual blue that you see. It has Honor branding here, AI camera branding. It has dual camera setup at the rear. It does look really smart, and there is this 6.26 inch HD plus display with a notch at the front. I'll keep the phone to the side for the moment and show you what else is there. So here we have a small pouch or a small paper box which has a few things, including a SIM removal tool here. You have warranty card and quick start guide. There is a screen guard that has been bundled, and you also get a soft silicone back case in the box. Apart from that, there is this wall adapter, which is a 5V 2 ampere wall charger, along with a USB to micro USB data cable, and that's all in the box. Let me get rid of everything and get back to the phone. And here is the Honor 8C. As you can see, it comes with a 6.26 inch display at front, and on top of the display there is an 8 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece, and some sensors. On the right hand side of the phone you would find the power or wake up key, followed by the volume rocker, which is right on top of it. On top of the phone is a 3.5mm audio port and a secondary mic hole for noise cancellation. And on the other side is the SIM card tray. Let me quickly pop this out for you. This is a triple slot tray, as you can see, and it accepts 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card. So it has expandable memory support along with dual SIM support, which is a good thing, which means that you can expand the memory and still use 2 SIM cards. There is 64 and 32GB variants available in terms of the memory capacity. On the bottom of the phone is the charging port, which is a micro USB. Then you have the speaker grill, and there is primary microphone hole provided here. On the rear of the phone, which is a beautifully finished back surface, you get the fingerprint scanner. In the middle there is Honor branding and AI camera branding, LED flash next to it, and there is a 13+2 megapixel rear camera setup here, which does look pretty good in terms of aesthetics. If you look at the phone from the back, it does look like very nicely finished, and the kind of color effects that you are getting on this blue color is actually really classy. It's slightly darker on the outer periphery and slightly light on the inside, and it's not too glossy, and it is not attracting as much fingerprints as a glossy phone would, so it is an added advantage. Let me quickly set this phone and get back. We are back after quickly setting up the phone, and as you just saw during the setup process, it supports both fingerprint scanner as well as face unlock. So let me start with testing these two things first. So let's first try the fingerprint. And as you can see, it's pretty fast. Now let's try the face unlock. It is an iPhone-like mechanism. It recognizes the face and there is an unlock icon here and it says slide to unlock. So it is right now facing the camera. Now it is facing me. And as soon as I face this phone, it unlocks. This lock icon becomes unlocked and it says slide to unlock. So the face unlock also works quite efficiently. It's not too fast, but it's not too slow as well. The fingerprint scanner is definitely faster than the other option, which is the face unlock. The display quality here does look quite promising, and without further ado, let's quickly jump to the camera testing here and find out how this performs. This is a 13+2 megapixel setup at the rear with artificial intelligence or AI built in, and it has around 500 built-in mode recognition. So right now the AI is turned off. I'm taking this picture. Now if I turn on the AI by clicking here, it will enhance the picture based on the scene that it recognizes, and there are multiple modes provided here, including portrait and aperture control mode. So I'll quickly use the portrait mode and find out how it performs here. And we have taken a picture with portrait mode. Let's try the aperture mode now. Here you can manually change the aperture level. So you hit here and you change the aperture level from 1 to 7. In level 1, I see that the bokeh is highest at level 1. So here you have some other modes which includes video, and when you hit more, you get the professional mode or the pro mode, and you have panorama, AR lens, HDR, filter, watermark, and there is an option to download more modes. Let's check out the front facing 8 megapixel camera as well and find out how it performs. And this is how it looks. So let me go back to the photo mode. And there is a soft flashlight also available on the front, which can be turned on or off from here. So you can turn off the soft flash. That would add light to the pictures when you are taking it at night. So you also have aperture, beauty, photo, video. So these are the modes which are available on the front facing camera. Let me try the portrait on front if I can turn this on. The aperture mode takes it directly to the back camera, so the front facing camera does not support aperture mode or the front portraits, but there is a selfie flash which has been provided here. So let's have a quick look at the photos that we have got. So let me also take a selfie in the beauty mode, and the beauty level is set to medium. So these are the shots that we have taken. This one is with beauty mode on, and you can see that skin smoothing is going on, and it is kind of cleaning the face of all sort of blemishes or any imperfections. This is without the beauty mode on, and you can see the skin imperfections and some level of facial hair here. And this is another selfie. This is the aperture shot that we have taken, and you can see the background is kind of blurred out while the foreground or the subject is in focus. This is a portrait photo and this is the normal photo. Not much difference here because the distance between the objects is not too much. This is an automatic mode picture and this is with AI enabled. Can you see the difference? On the AI picture you will see this AI logo on top, and when I click on this AI I can turn it off, and this is the original image and this is the enhanced image. With enhanced image it kind of enhances the colors and the look and saturation of the picture based on the scene and tries to enhance the picture. The overall results, if you see closely, are quite sharp It's very well saturated, the pictures are very clear, and this camera setup is working well. Also with the 8 megapixel front facing camera, although the detailing is not very high because it is just an 8 megapixel sensor, but the kind of colors and the detailing it is capturing with whatever megapixel it is capturing, it is coming out to be quite good aesthetically, and it's quite shareable. I can just upload it to social media without any need of editing. The beauty mode also works great. As you can see, it's quite effective. If you compare these two pictures, it works well. So the cameras here are satisfactory. In terms of performance, there is a good enough processor. It comes with 8 Cryo cores, Snapdragon 632 chipsets, probably the first phone in India with this chipset, with a 14 nanometer fab with 4 gigs of RAM, and this is around 10 to 12,000 rupees, so it is a good deal. It comes with 4000 mAh battery, which should last approximately 1 to 2 days depending on how heavy of a user you are. For heavy users, 1 to 1.5 days. For casual or light users, around 2 days. You can also do some amount of gaming on this phone because it comes with a powerful chipset. It has 3 slots, so you can expand the memory. It supports up to 256 GB of memory expansion. So all in all, if you're looking for a phone in this price segment with great cameras, large battery, and good enough performance and a good display, this is a 19:9 display. The only gripe is that this is not full HD, it is HD plus, so you can live with that because you are paying only around 10 to 12,000 rupees, so which is not too much of a price to ask for this phone. So it does look like a good value in its price segment. What are your thoughts? Do let me know in the comment section. If you want to pick up this phone for you, we like this phone, so if you want to pick up this phone for you, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section from where you can get one at the Best Buy price. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed. Do you want to see a giveaway of this phone or some more giveaways on our channel? Do let us know in the comment section. Stay subscribed for more. There are some giveaways going on, so do check out our giveaway playlist at the end of this video. Stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and have a good day.